Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be going over a very popular product that everyone's been talking about. It's all over social media and I know why now. I used it for my first time 2 weeks ago and I'm obsessed. It's the Revlon blow dry brush. Everyone has one of these now and I think it's great. I wasn't too sure about it because of the plastic, and when I first used it, it smelled like burning plastic and I wasn't a big fan, but I have used it a couple more times already. I really do love it. It works amazingly. A lot of my clients will come in and I'm like, why are you here? Because your hair is so nicely blow dried. I feel like they just came from the salon. So I really think this Revlon blow dry brush is like the best product in the market right now for people just that don't know how to blow dry their hair well with a regular blow dryer and a round brush. So yeah, you gotta check it out, guys. Go buy yourself one. Okay, so before I start blow drying my hair, I will be using the KERASILK RECONSTRUCT in my hair. This product is great. As you can tell, I'm already almost out of it. It's regenerating blow dry spray with keratin and halovial. I don't know. For stressed and damaged hair, instant compatibility and repair for a soft, weightless feel. Provides heat protection, shake well, spray on towel dried hair, and leave in. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just kind of mist it, especially over like if you have stressed or damaged hair where you have highlights, definitely spray those areas. It helps blow dry your hair faster as well, and it's just super lightweight. That's why I love using this. Now we're just going to brush it through to make sure we coat all of our hair in that. All right. So now I'm just parting the underneath part of my hair out of the way so we can do that section first. And I'm leaving just the front sections out to do after as well. So I'll use my alligator clip. This is what it looks like. I'll show you guys. Clip the hair you don't need out of the way. And I'm going to, as you can tell, this has an off, cool, low, and high button here. So I'm going to actually use the high button. I just did that one section, and as you can tell, it's super smooth and it gives your hair like a nice rounded ends right in through here. And it feels so soft. It's like amazing. I think the boar bristles in this brush really help give it the extra shine that you would like to see as well, just like the Salon Poly Blow Dry. All right, so now we're going to go to the other side, and all you're gonna do is just turn your head and work on that side. So there is the underneath of the one section I just did. As you can tell, it's very, very smooth and it just rounds your ends, and I just think it looks so nice. All right, so on to the next section. I'm just sectioning like horizontal patterns going all the way up. so as you can tell, this really does smooth your hair out very nicely. I usually get some like flyaways from just using the regular blow dryer and the round brush, but I barely have any with this, and it gives it such a nice shine. So I'm going to show you how to get the maximum volume. I was kind of just doing it in this section, but I want to show you like right in through the crown area, how you can get so much volume in just this area just by doing one simple thing. So I'm going to turn the brush on, then we're going to just kind of take this section of hair right here, and we're going to bring it up and over. That way you get as much lift as you can right in through the crown area, as much volume, and I think you're really going to like it. As you can tell, it lifted up the rooted area and through here, and it looks so nice. Now I have to go to the side. As you can tell, it blow dried so nice and smooth. It has so much body. Looks like I just got a Salon blow dry. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial on the Revlon blow dry brush. Please don't forget to leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring that bell for the most updated videos. Thank you so much guys. See you soon.